Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix verification fail. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you are facing this problem while logging in or logging out your Apple ID in your iPhone, iPad or other device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you will have to simply force restart your iPhone or iPod or other device if you are facing this problem. So guys, here I will show you how can you force restart your device. So as you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then press and release the volume down button quickly, and then you will have to press and hold the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to open any browser and from here search for iCloud.com. Here it is, and from here you will have tap on use a different Apple ID in the bottom. Here you can see. So guys, wait for some seconds, and from here you will have to scroll it below and you will have to simply forget your Apple ID or password, and then you will have to change your Apple ID password to fix this problem. So guys, from here tap on forgotten your Apple ID or password, and from here tap on help someone else. Tap on this. So guys, here you will have to enter your email address. So guys, from here tap on continue, and again wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to enter your trusted phone number which is linked with your Apple ID. Give that phone number, and from here again tap on continue, and from here you will have to simply tap on send code to your phone number. Tap on this. So guys, verify your phone number after entering the code which is sent to your trusted phone number, and after this you will be able to change or reset your Apple ID password. So guys, once you reset your Apple ID password, your Apple ID will be activated and you will be able to use your Apple ID very easily. So guys, if you are still facing this problem after all these solutions, you will have to contact Apple support for more information and help. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.